What's up, guys? Good morning. This is Captain E3E coming to you live and direct from the airport lounge. Now, today, Air Canada Boeing 787-9 dreamliner in the scale 1/200 by Skymarks. Check out the icy blue livery. You can see it right from here and right from this side. Air Canada acquired the 787 in 2013 from Boeing, and they have an additional order. Air Canada's primary hub is Toronto Lester Pearson International Airport in Toronto, Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, and with secondary hubs and with one in Montreal. This aircraft is used on the flights from Toronto to Zurich. Air Canada replaced the 767 with the 787, and it's very beautiful. Air Canada is a member of Star Alliance. Now, starting off first with the stack ports, PO tubes, cockpit windshield, and windshield wipers. There you see the Star Alliance livery, the L1 door, the world-famous maple leaf, Air Canada. Air Canada, by the way, was started in 1938 as TCAS, Trans-Canadian Airlines, later changing its name to Air Canada. The two Gen X turbofan engines. Come on. The wings of the 787. Very nicely detailed by Skymarks. 787-9. The famed maple leaf of Air Canada. The APU. The tailplanes. And I'm going to take you on to the port and starboard side of the aircraft. The world famous maple leaf. Come up on the tail section. Up to the two Gen X turbofan engines. Making on the way of the 787. Up to the first galley on this aircraft and the cockpit. And that's it. Air Canada had originally a modern fleet back around in 2003, starting with the Airbus A340 and then the Airbus A330, and that was after when Air Canada ordered the Boeing 777-200, and later as the A340 had slipped into history, Air Canada replaced the A340 with the 777-300, and the 787 was acquired to replace the 767, and which of some of Air Canada's 767s are now with Air Canada Rouge. And that's it for this aircraft review. I would just like to say thank you very much for watching this video. This video will be posted to YouTube. So anyway, like always, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, from the airport lounge, this is Captain E3E, signing off for now.